In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print slides as handouts in PowerPoint. If you want to share your presentation in a format that's easier for people to follow, printing your slides as handouts is a great option. Handouts let you place multiple slides on a single page, which can save paper and make it easier for your audience to review the content, take notes, and stay engaged during a meeting, class, or presentation. To get started, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the File menu. This is where PowerPoint stores the main options for managing your presentation, including saving, exporting, and of course, printing. Once you click File, you'll be taken to the Backstage view where you can access everything related to print settings. Next, click on Print. This opens the print setup screen where you can preview exactly how your presentation will appear on paper. Taking a quick look at this preview is helpful because it allows you to confirm that everything is laid out the way you want before you actually print. This can help you avoid wasting paper or ink. In the print section, look for the settings that control how the slides are printed. By default, PowerPoint may be set to print full-page slides, which means each slide would take up an entire sheet of paper. If that's not what you want, click the Layout or Print Settings drop-down and select Print Handouts. When you choose Handouts, PowerPoint arranges multiple slides on each page instead of printing one slide per page. This is especially useful when you want to create a more compact version of your presentation for an audience. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, you may also see different handout layout options, such as a certain number of slides per page. If those options are available, you can choose the one that best fits your needs. Before printing, it's always a good idea to glance at the preview one more time to make sure the handout format looks clear and readable. If the slides appear too small, you may want to adjust the layout option if your version allows it. Once everything looks right, go ahead and print your handouts. That's all it takes. Printing slides as handouts is a simple but very useful PowerPoint feature, especially when you need to distribute presentation materials in a clean, practical format. Thanks for